Beets are one of my favorite vegetables to throw on the grill, but I think it's important to soften them up first.
I'm Mackenzie Lunsford, a former professional chef turned journalist. Welcome to my Southern kitchen.
It's a really good idea to brine them first. So I simmer mine in a mixture of water, white vinegar, salt, and sugar until they're soft, and then I grill them. These brined beets have a little bit of olive oil on them, and they're just gonna go directly on the grill. We wanna get them nice and charred on the outside. These beets are black and papery and crackly on the outside. That's fine. You'll want to peel them with your fingers, which kind of makes a mess. Or you can get a paper towel and just rub that charred peel off, but you're left with, see, a nice, beautiful beet inside. You can arrange your beets with some greens, and I'm gonna finish with a little drizzle of olive oil, and they're perfect.
Sign up for the Southern Kitchen newsletter to learn more about Southern food and more skills to help you around the kitchen.